Okay, guys, welcome to another room review. We are at the W Hotel. We are on the 24th floor, room 816. Let's take a look. All right, so right off the bat, there is no full-length mirror here in the hallway, but that's okay. But on the other side,
So this room has a half bath when you first walked in.
pretty decent size.
Yeah.
Still has the signature MGM
Products.
Yeah. So we are staying in a suite here at the W Hotel. This property only has suites in this building. So the W is a sister property of Mandalay Bay. So go into the living area.
It's very similar to Mandalay Bay and their styles in terms of a lot of the gold accents, but everything in this room is pretty neutral in terms of colors with the couch, neutrals with. Not quite sure what this is like a
Paneling of
like
sorts.
paneling. One smells like a tile, but it's plastic. So a lot of neutral colors. Carpet's neutral. Drapes are neutral.
Nice little work desk.
Yeah.
Has all your electronic outlets here. HDMI, USB-C. Nice gold accents, like he said.
Over here you have a nice wet bar. Again, everything is going to be censored again over here. This is a little more limited. They only have water, and then they do have the. It looks like they have sweeteners, coffee, sugar, creamer, ready to go, and then you have your ice box up there and your Keurig, and a little sink.
And then the forbidden fridge.
Yeah, the forbidden fridge.
So it has all your. Does have good stuff though.
It does.
I'm not quite sure what these are though. These coffee.
So those are going to be the similar coffees that are up top. So you got Pringles, you got your liquor, beer, soda, small liquor bottles, some more liquor and wine, and then some snacks.
And the pleasure kit.
And the pleasure kit, yeah, I didn't even see that. So if you're wanting some nice pleasure while you're here, there you go.
PG-13.
That's right.
Into
over
the
here,
bedroom.
Yep, here's the bedroom, and there you have the full bath.
Does nice stand-in shower. Again with the signature MGM product. Go into the water closet. Oh, here's the full-length mirror.
Oh, right on the door.
Yeah, right on the door. So that'll be nice when you're getting ready.
Exactly. Nice bathtub. It's a pretty deep bathtub.
It is.
Nice accents with the blacks and then the creams. Feels really calm.
It does. Then we have the double sink vanity. Again, signature MGM products. Body lotion and hand wash. We have the magnifying mirror. Nice little shelf area. Let's check out the bedroom.
I like this bedroom because it's different. It's not your typical square bedroom. It has an angle over here, so which is really cool. Has a nice sitting area right here. Put your shoes on, get ready. Nice end tables. Standard bed, very comfortable. Reminds me of all the other beds, really. And this is like a really cool touch with the headboard. It has the gold accents too, so that's pretty cool to have that.
Mm-hmm.
And then you have your TV right here.
TV mounted on the wall.
Yeah.
And then last.
We do have a closet
yep.
here too. Safe. It does come with one
robe.
One robe.
One of us will be using that.
Yeah. And then valet has all the good essentials that, you know, if you need your clothes dry clean or anything like that.
Little tote bag, you can take it for $35. It says, "Hi, could you bring me a cocktail? I need attention."
Yeah.
Your ironing board, your safe, extra drawers.
Yeah.
And then last but not least, let's take a peek at the view.
So you get a view in 3 different ways, 3 different directions in this particular room. So we have north-facing views from this direction. Airport is off to the east, and then obviously you can see Mandalay Bay in front of us.
It's a nice panoramic view.
Yeah, it is. But this is where the nicer view, I say, if you're looking for views of the pool of Mandalay Bay, this would be a great room.
That pool is huge.
It's a hot day today, so definitely people are at the lazy river.
There's a plane going on.
Yeah. We have the convention center right in front of us. We have the golf course.
Allegiant Stadium. I don't know if we can see.
Yeah, we'll get another view of Allegiant Stadium on the other side.
And then
And check out the carpet too. The carpet kind of is cool. It has like a little bit of a print on it.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
This is probably the better view, I'd say. For me, anyways.
And it depends on what type of view you like.
Yeah. Got the pool. Rest of the desert.
Rest of the desert.
There is Allegiant Stadium. And the mountains in the back. But yes, this is a suite in the W Hotel, formerly known as the Delano. Stay tuned for our final thoughts.